Hi, in this quick tutorial I'll show you where you can edit your account settings and how to add and manage your team members. We'll begin from the dashboard where you can find all your current allowances. As you're in, head to the user's avatar here. This is where you can log out, manage your soup users, or access your settings and invoices. Let's go to My Users. Here you can find all your team members as well as invite new ones, depending on your plan allowances. Adding new team members is very straightforward. Send an email invitation and then edit users' permissions here. Allow your new sub user to set file tracking to any videos, to add and delete campaigns or smart folders. It is entirely up to you what you will allow him to do. We advise, however, not to let your sub users manage account settings, just in case they might want to change their user email address, preventing you from logging in. If you no longer want any of your users to access your account, block him and regain free spot for someone else. You can always bring any of your blocked users back, so they could, for example, join you in a campaign for any particular client. And once that's completed, switch him off again. Let's now move on to the settings section. Here, you can edit your account details, address, or set top charts country. By default, it is the country of your current location, but if needed, you can switch it to any other from the drop-down list here. You can also quickly change your password or redeem coupon code if you have any. Under the Invoices shortcut, you can access all your issued invoices so far. Well done! Thank you for joining me today and see you next time.